निवेदन करूंगी कि वो ICHR के हमारे स्पेशल इनवाइटी डॉक्टर प्रवीण कुमार शर्मा सर का स्वागत करें। आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर कर्नाड इस सर का स्वागत करने के लिए मैं डॉक्टर आनंद कुमार त्रिपाठी जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। हमारे आज की नोट एड्रेस सर प्रोफेसर राणा PV सिंह सर का स्वागत करने के लिए मैं डॉक्टर कुलदीप जी को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। डॉक्टर बैजू जी से मैं निवेदन करती हूँ कि वो आए और हमारी इस संस्थान की संस्थापक महोदय और इस पूरी संस्थान की बैजू जी आए और डॉक्टर अभय पांडे सर का स्वागत करें। डॉक्टर अभय पांडे सर लीगल ऑफिसर बनारस हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय के सम्मान हेतु मैं डॉक्टर बैजू जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। अब वाराणसी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हिस्ट्री परिवार की संस्थापिका माननीय मैडम अरुणा सिन्हा का स्वागत करने के लिए मैं मोहन जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। हम सभी के बीच उपस्थित ICHR से आए हमारे डॉक्टर विनोद सर को मैं मंच पे आमंत्रित करती हूँ और आदरणीय जयलक्ष्मी दीदी से ये अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो सर का स्वागत करें।
सामने देखिए।
अब कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए वेलकम एड्रेस और इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द थीम के लिए मैं आदरणीय प्रोफेसर अरुणा सिन्हा मैम को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो हमारे इस 2 दिवसीय सम्मेलन के बारे में हम सभी को परिचित कराएं।
आप सभी को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. Good morning to each of you, everybody of you, all my guests on the dais and all my guests who have come to attend this seminar. I can see lots of professors from Banaras Hindu University. Professor Ajay Pratap is here. Dr. B.A. Shukla, Professor B.A. Shukla is here from Indira Gandhi National Center of Arts. And Professor P.V. Rana Singh, who is also our keynote speaker. And Professor Pravesh Bharadwaj and so many other faces. I can see lots of teachers. I mean, this is a gathering of very distinguished people. Because it's not a gathering for any, normal function. It's a gathering for academic, solid academic occasion. So I can see lots of distinguished people sitting here coming from colleges. So we have teachers, we have media personals, we have also participants in this conference who are not from academic background, but they have shown their interest to participate in this conference. We have our students, we have research scholars, and we have, people coming from Indian Council of Historical Research, which has so kindly funded our seminar. So, this is my privilege and my honor to extend a note of welcome to all of you. I can see Dr. Khajuria. We have participants, as I said, from far off places. From Jammu, Dr. Khajuria is there. From Patiala, from Punjab, from IIT Kharagpur, from JNU, and from many other universities whose papers are there in the academic sessions. So, this is my extreme privilege to give a note of welcome to you, and I appreciate that you have traveled from far and wide, which is our prerogative on you, because we request you to come and you so kindly make it convenient to come and spare your time from your very busy schedule. So, I mean, sometimes we run short of words, as somebody has rightly said that silence is more eloquent than words. So you can understand that how much welcome you are for this occasion. I'm very gratefully, I acknowledge the presence of my guests who are sitting on the dais. Professor Coenraad Elst, who has traveled all the way from Belgium, to be present in our seminar. Professor Rana P. Singh, who so kindly consented to give his keynote address despite the fact that he is not having a very good health for a few weeks. But he was kind enough to agree to our request. Dr. Neerja Madhav, I am sure that all of you are aware with this name because it's a very popular name. She is a very prolific writer, and she has been a recipient of President's Award for Nari Shakti Samman, and she has been the director of Akashvani. And above all, a very prolific scholar, very prolific writer, a very profound scholar. So I'm sure that we are all very lucky to, hear such people. And we have Dr. Abhay Kumar Pandey, who is the legal officer of BHU, and is very kind, always to be present in each of our functions whenever we request him to come. And most of all, I am saying Dr. Praveen Kumar because he was not having any opportunity to come to this seminar because of his work and all that assignments, but since we kind of requested him and pressurized him to come, he so kindly, so magnanimously he agreed to come. And last time when we had our seminar on Itihas और संस्कृति में Sri Ram, he was supposed to come but he could not make it. But he sent a very nice note for us, and that was really encouraging, and that was really, we all felt very enthusiastic. So on behalf of Varanasi Institute of History, all its members, all the faculty members, all the students and everybody who is attached, I extend to you my heartfelt thanks for coming and my heartfelt note of welcome to all of you. Now, the fact that I have phrased this seminar as reimagining development in context of Varanasi's glorious heritage is itself quite stimulating, and it's quite tricky, Most of us are aware that, development is something very good. Yes, it is very good. It is needed. We all want it. But when we talk about the glorious traditions of Varanasi, when we talk about the antiquity of Varanasi, this seminar covers almost every aspect of history of Varanasi. Then we have to kind of rethink about development. I mean, it's high time that we rethink about development because both these things go together. Development is necessary, but reimagining development is more necessary. As far as Varanasi is concerned, we have got lots of papers, which are addressing to these kind of issues. And I'm sure that each one of us who are here and who will be attending this seminar will go back highly enriched by the academic content that is given to you through the PPT presentations, through the paper presentations, through the other guests and their, addresses. We'll go back highly enriched in knowledge and highly satisfied with your presence here. And of course, very happy for, you will go back happily, return from Varanasi, because I think it's Baba Vishwanath का आशीर्वाद है जो बनारस में आता है. बाबा की त्रिशूल पर ये नगरी टिकी हुई है और ये अविनाशी काशी है, ऐसा हम लोग मानते हैं. So everything which is perishable on this earth, but Kashi remains Kashi. So anybody who's, who comes here is a welcome, I think it's a welcome opportunity for all of us, and therefore please excuse me, I could not be in a position to take names of all our participants and all our people who are here, who are guests, who are here, who have come here, but please excuse me for that. But just we hope that you will go back as our friends. You have come here as our guests, but when you go back as our friends, and you will not forget the kind of hospitality and the kind of opportunity and the kind of academic input that you all will be receiving through the presentations of our highly accomplished professors who have come here from all over the country, both from India and from outside also. We have participation from Poland, we have participation from Ethiopia, University of Salale, and so on. So with these words, I would once again welcome you from the bottom of my heart, and also say sorry for the delay that has been caused because of unavoidable factors. So thank you so much.
धन्यवाद मैम, आपने बड़े ही आत्मीय भाव से आज के सभी सम्मानित जनों का संक्षिप्त परिचय प्रस्तुत करते हुए हम सभी को लाभान्वित कराया. साथ ही साथ इस द्विदिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कॉन्फ्रेंस पर संक्षिप्त प्रकाश डालते हुए बाबा के त्रिशूल पर बसी अविनाशी काशी से हमें संक्षिप्त रूप से परिचित कराया। धन्यवाद मैम। अब मैं की नोट एड्रेस के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ कल्चरल ज्योग्राफी एंड हेरिटेज स्टडीज के सुविख्यात विद्वान, फॉर्मर प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जियोग्राफी बीएचयू के प्रोफेसर राणा पीवी सिंह सर को। आप सभी को ज्ञात हो कि आदरणीय सर विजिटिंग प्रोफेसर एट CSAS गिफू वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जापान से हैं। धन्यवाद सर।